Hello everyone, I'm Roy. In this video, let's quickly learn how to use the multi-layer melting pass auto calculation feature. Start by clicking the process button and creating a new process. Enter the process name and make sure to select multi-layer multi-pass auto calculation as a type. Then, set the welded size, thickness, layer thickness, and the pass offset parameters with the execution type set to wall. Click Calculate Layers Passes. Choose the appropriate process name for each pass. Confirm and save. Your process is now successfully created. Next, move to Programming. In the welding interface, select Flex Welding and load the multi-layer multi-pass auto calculation process you just set up. Click Use. Then proceed to teach the pinch angles. 4 point, the first two along the weld seam itself, and the other two on each of the side steel plates. Click Calculate Computer to ensure the angles match the actual conditions. Finally, teach the complete pass and use pass simulation to preview the operation, ensuring a smooth and accurate welding process.